Volkswagen and JAC intends to set up a second joint venture. Commercial models. Text: Saukar Sunshi, Car Cafe. It is learned from the official Volkswagen Group, China, and Anhui Jianghuai Automobile Group Co., Limited. Hereinafter referred to as JAC, plans to set up a second joint venture, joint research and development, sales multi-purpose vehicles, including but not limited to pickups, MPVs, electric commercial vehicles, etc., models. Today, the tri-parties signed a Memorandum of Understanding to determine the joint venture to explore the potential model. The new cooperation this time marks another milestone in the deepening of the cooperation between Volkswagen Group and JAC after the formal signing of the joint venture agreement in the field of new energy vehicles in June this year. JAC-public cooperation deepening. As early as June 14, JAC Motors signed an investment agreement with Volkswagen Group in Wolfsburg, Germany. The agreement shows that JAC and Volkswagen will jointly introduce electric vehicle products to the fast-growing Chinese market and deploy a joint venture of new energy vehicles. The cooperation includes R&D and production of new energy vehicle components, interconnection technology and automotive data services. At the same time, new factories and R&D centers will be established in the future. In addition, the joint venture also plans to establish a new used car platform, and actively engaged in all relevant business activities. June 29. JAC and Volkswagen joint venture production of pure electric passenger car project started with a total initial investment of 506 billion yuan, of which 2.95 billion yuan investment in fixed assets. After the first phase of the project is completed, it will form an annual output of 100,000 pure electric passenger car production capacity. After the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding, JAC Group and Volkswagen Group will establish a second joint venture. Commercial vehicles are also included in the scope of cooperation. Professor Herzmann, Volkswagen Group, China, President and CEO, Volkswagen Group Management Board, said, "We are very pleased to have the opportunity to further deepen our cooperation with JAC to achieve complementary advantages and joint development and cooperation in the field of multi-purpose vehicles." Win-win situation. As a well-known car company in China's auto market, JAC has a long history in producing multi-purpose vehicle models favored by consumers. Meanwhile, Volkswagen also has a long history of producing multi-purpose vehicles with advanced technologies, experience. Volkswagen light commercial vehicles will represent the Volkswagen Group plays an important role. Among the new joint ventures, Volkswagen Light Commercial Vehicles, LCV, will play an important role on behalf of Volkswagen Group. Joe Ernhasen-Fuss, member of the board of Volkswagen Commercial Vehicles, commented, "Volkswagen has a history of nearly 70 years in the production of multi-purpose vehicles, and more Volkswagen commercial vehicles are being harvested in the Chinese market. We are also actively seeking more opportunities, and through cooperation with JAC, we expect to be able to integrate both the experience and expertise to jointly promote the vigorous development of China's auto market. For the two companies, is committed to continue to meet customers' demand, and actively explore the development of advanced technologies are the common goal of each other. Mr. Jin, chairman of Anhui Jianghuai Automobile Group Co., Limited, said, "We are very pleased to expand our cooperation with Volkswagen. JAC has a rich product portfolio, technical reserves and market fundamentals in the field of multi-purpose vehicles. There are obvious advantages in this area and great potential for mutually beneficial cooperation, and together we will vigorously promote the development of the multi-purpose car market and bring more exciting products and choices to consumers around the world." Through the new joint venture, both companies will actively cooperate with each other in the development of advanced technology for multi-purpose vehicles, high-quality product development and effective market sales, and promote the development of multi-purpose vehicle designs and technologies through research and development, covering internal combustion engine models in new energy vehicles. The joint venture will be jointly held by 3 parties, of which JAC holds 50 of the shares and Volkswagen Group and Volkswagen Group, China, jointly hold 50 of the shares. The new joint venture plans to settle in Hefei, Anhui Province, where JAC is located. JAC whether the public will rob North and South Volkswagen business? In 2016, the Volkswagen Group, China, in partnership with FAW Volkswagen and Shanghai Volkswagen, delivered a total of 3.98 million new cars. As a leading sales champion, Volkswagen is clearly well known in China. The news of the initial cooperation between JAC and Volkswagen plans came out, which aroused widespread discussion in the industry. Whether JAC Volkswagen will grab the business of FAW Volkswagen and Shanghai Volkswagen has become the focus of everybody's attention. As early as September 29 this year, the Paris Motor Show, Volkswagen China's Heisman said in an interview, Volkswagen and JAC are conducting a substantive feasibility study, and will not eclipse with SAIC and FAW effect is anew the direction. According to Heisman, the joint venture between the public and JAC is different from the other 2 joint ventures, Shanghai Volkswagen and FAW Volkswagen, in pricing and interval. Although news of deepening cooperation between JAC Group and Volkswagen Group continues to spread, JAC Volkswagen not only will not compete with Shanghai Volkswagen and FAW Volkswagen on products, nor will it even use the public's mark. In the just past Guangzhou Auto Show, Volkswagen brand CEO Feng Xihan said that in the JAC Volkswagen this project, JAC Volkswagen will not use the Volkswagen brand. At the same time, he also said Volkswagen brand in the new energy vehicles will have 2 stages. The first phase is based on the existing MQB platform and launches 11 new energy vehicles by 2020, including plug-in hybrids and pure electric vehicles. These cars will only be produced at FAW Volkswagen and SAIC Volkswagen. JAC will not use the MQB platform. Volkswagen brand itself and Jianghuai do not have any intersection. Jianghuai cooperation is a group-level cooperation is the group's strategy.